What is the standard of living, and why does it hold such importance in economics? This question often crosses the minds of individuals delving into the world of economics. To put it simply, the standard of living measures the social and economic welfare of a typical household or individual in a country over a period of time, and it includes both qualitative and quantitative aspects of life. It's crucial in economics because it provides a snapshot of the economic welfare of a population. And how do we measure it? Through various indicators, each offering its unique perspective. Firstly, consider gross domestic product per capita, or GDP per capita. This indicator is the total output of a country divided by its population. It gives a rough estimate of the average wealth per person in a country. Higher GDP per capita often suggests a higher material standard of living. However, it does not account for income distribution or the environmental impact of production. Next, the Human Development Index, or HDI. Developed by the United Nations, HDI measures a country's average achievements in three basic aspects of human development: health, education, and income. It's a composite index that ranges from 0 to 1, with 1 being the best possible score. It provides a more holistic view of a country's standard of living than GDP per capita. Then we have the Gini coefficient. This measures income inequality within a country. A Gini coefficient of 0 expresses perfect equality, while a coefficient of 1 implies maximum inequality. A high Gini coefficient indicates a large gap between the rich and the poor, which can negatively impact the overall standard of living. Additionally, we must not forget about quality of life indicators like health, education, and environmental quality. These markers provide valuable insights into the living conditions within a country. For instance, a high literacy rate or low infant mortality rate often correlates with a high standard of living. However, each of these indicators has its limitations. GDP per capita doesn't consider wealth distribution. HDI, while more comprehensive, still doesn't account for factors like political freedom or gender equality. The Gini coefficient only measures income inequality, not wealth inequality. Quality of life indicators can be subjective and vary greatly depending on cultural or personal values. In sum, to get a comprehensive understanding of a country's standard of living, consider multiple indicators. They offer different pieces of the puzzle, and together, they provide a more complete and accurate picture. The standard of living is a crucial concept in economics, influencing policy decisions and strategies aimed at economic development and growth. Remember, economics is not just about numbers and charts, it's about people and their lives. So when studying the standard of living, always keep in mind the human aspect behind the data.